Okay, yeah, I finished the morning assignment, which is moving money from different usernames to one of my username, which I called my central bank Jonoti online. So this morning, I gathered over 200,000, 202,845. That is what I gathered that dropped from yesterday to this morning. Why? Tell me why we will not be able to shout about the charge and get paid to those that care to hear and those that don't care to hear. Imagine a business that pay you this in less than 24 hours on a daily basis. Why won't you shout about it? Now, someone may ask me, where do you get this 202 from? This is where I got it from. Let me click on my transaction history. Every morning after my morning devotion, I log into my several accounts to move money to this particular account. So 11,000 plus was moved from the Catalyst on one of the account I opened for one of my son. I move it to this place. Amij, one of my username, 5,000 plus was moved. Cash Plasha, one of my username, 3,000 plus was moved. So that is the essence of multiple accounts. 913 naira was moved from OT promo account. 1,620 was moved from OT cash flow 2018. 1,740 was moved from the Catalyst 2019. Jonoti 2019, 3,000 plus. My anniversary 967. My Dubai trip 1,013 something. Hot cash flow 1,077. RAGP my painkiller 4,263. Those are my different usernames. RAGP my oilware 1,275. Which other username? My hot alert 1975. As I'm moving the money, you can see all these transactions. As the money was going on, see all these transactions was also going on, dropping in between the transactions. Okay. The next page, page 4. Cash to cash 3,000 plus. The telecom grew 6,009 something. Jonoti cash flow. Now I'm getting to my bigger account. Jonoti cash flow 35,518 naira. Success Catalyst 28,999. Are you seeing it? In between those transactions, someone is carrying out transactions and money is dropping in between the time I was moving this money from different usernames. Then the Catalyst has 34,066. Jonoti 50,172. Now this is what we do every single day, moving money from one username to the other. That is why we preach RAGP to the world, and we keep talking about this business until we enter heaven. So in total, over 202 has dropped from yesterday to this morning. By tomorrow morning again, I will log into those accounts again to move out money. God bless the church and get paid. God bless the visionary, Mr. Ostademo Oshopo. And God bless all Team Catalyst members and all the RAGP members nationwide and global. We are doing great. Let's keep pushing. RAGP rocks. After us, now still us. A daily earning is good, but you see per second earning, nothing can be compared to it. That's why I need to embrace the church and get paid. Bye for now. Let's go and make more money.